Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced RAG Techniques. Hybrid Search and Re-ranking for Smarter Answers. Imagine you ask an AI a question. Without RAG, it's like asking someone to answer only from their memory. Sometimes, their memory isn't fresh or detailed enough. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a fancy way of saying we give our AI a superpower. The ability to look up information from a huge library, your data, before it tries to answer. So, instead of just guessing, it researches and then generates an informed answer. As a developer, you're building this research assistant for your AI. With basic RAG, your AI uses one primary way to search its library. Think of it like a librarian who only knows one way to find books. If you ask for books about space travel, they might only look for books with space and travel in the title. But what if a great book about astronauts is titled Journey to the Stars? A simple search might miss it. This is where basic RAG can fall short. It might miss relevant information or get overwhelmed by too much similar sounding stuff. We need smarter ways to find and sort information. Hybrid search is like giving your AI multiple types of librarians, each with their own unique searching skills. Instead of relying on just one method, we combine them. Why? Because different search methods are good at different things. By using hybrid search, we make sure our AI can find exactly what it needs. Whether it's a specific keyword or a concept that's explained in many different ways. For developers, this means building a more robust and accurate information retrieval system. This is the traditional way we search. You type in words, and the system looks for documents that contain those exact words or phrases. Think of it like an old library's card catalog. You look up dinosaurs, and it shows you cards for books with dinosaurs in the title or subject. It's great for finding very specific things, like a product ID or a person's name. As a developer, you'd implement this by indexing text and looking for direct matches. It's straightforward but can miss the bigger picture or context. This is where AI gets really smart. Semantic search doesn't just look for exact words. It tries to understand the asterisk meaning or intent behind your words. Imagine asking the librarian for books about people flying to other planets. A semantic search would understand that flying to other planets is similar in meaning to space travel or astronauts, even if those exact words aren't used. It does this by converting your question and all the documents into vectors, fancy numbers that represent meaning, and finding the closest matches. This is powerful for finding conceptually similar information. So, how do we combine them? When you ask your AI a question, hybrid search first runs both a keyword search and a semantic search simultaneously. It gathers results from both methods. For example, the keyword search might find documents with exact terms, while the semantic search finds documents that are conceptually related but use different words. Then, it cleverly merges these results, often giving a combined score to each document. This ensures we don't miss anything important, whether it's explicitly stated or conceptually implied. After hybrid search gathers a bunch of potentially relevant documents, we often have a long list. Not all of them are equally important or helpful. Re-ranking is the process of taking this initial list and reordering it so that the most relevant and useful documents appear at the very top. It's like having a second, even smarter librarian who reviews the initial stack of books and says, "These 5 are definitely what the person needs. Put them on top." This ensures your AI gets the absolute best information to generate its answer. As a developer, implementing hybrid search and re-ranking means your AI applications will be significantly more powerful and reliable. Your users will get more accurate, comprehensive, and contextually relevant answers. This leads to a much better user experience. Whether it's for customer support chatbots, intelligent document analysis, or advanced search engines, you're not just making your AI answer questions. You're making it answer them intelligently and effectively, leveraging the best available information. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.